Located in front of Ipanema Beach, with a stunning 360-degree view, the RS apartment was designed for a family to spend some seasons and host friends in Rio de Janeiro. The 520 square meter layout was fully adapted to place the 5 suites, living room, dining area, home theater, and service areas around the perimeter of the apartment. With a central access point, each room is distributed around the apartment, ensuring that every space benefits from the privileged view of the surrounding landscape. The interiors embrace a minimalist aesthetic, creating welcoming and lively spaces. International and Brazilian furniture is featured, including designs by Arthur Casas, such as the Amorpha dining table, belly lamp, and Willie's sideboard. In the living areas, a soft color palette prevails, with travertino lavona stone flooring and metal cabinetry setting the tone. Accents of blue, like the Delfino armchair, ceramics, and Carlito Carvalhosa's artwork, add subtle touches of color to the neutral tones. Although not used as a permanent residence, the apartment balances private and social spaces effectively. In the bedrooms, light oak woodwork was chosen to bring warmth to the private spaces. A sliding door system provides privacy when closed and spaciousness when open, connecting the living room to the intimate areas. The same concept is applied in the master suite, which can be expanded to join the adjacent rooms if desired. Large glass windows and open spaces enhance the natural light, making the view a key element of the experience. Arthur Casas' carefully designed furniture and the neutral materials harmonize with the scenery, providing balance and elegance. Every detail is thought out to maximize comfort while maintaining a minimalist approach to the interiors. The combination of materials, from the travertine stone to the oak wood, creates a refined yet inviting atmosphere. The project's concept revolves around highlighting the natural views of Rio de Janeiro, always emphasizing the connection to the landscape. This seamless blend of modern minimalism and functional design creates a unique living space for hosting and relaxation. This apartment is the perfect getaway for the family, where comfort, privacy, and style meet. A space designed not only for living, but for creating lasting memories with friends and family. The RS apartment is a celebration of contemporary architecture, where every element enhances the beauty of Rio's natural landscape. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.